For 20 years, Mercedes has had a problem with some of its cars. This was that sunroofs of certain vehicles would leak and fail. They became aware of this problem in 2017 when many older vehicles would come into service centres across the world. The German manufacturer has now issued a recall for Mercedes C-Class, CLK, E-Class and CLS models sold between 2001 and 2011. The issue seems to be a weak bond between the glass sunroof panel and the sunroof frame, and in some cases the sunroof can completely detach, causing significant safety risks for both the occupants of the car and other road users. At first, Mercedes-Benz couldn't identify the problem and also got outside specialists to investigate the problem, but the results were once again inconclusive. In 2018, Mercedes scrutinized more sunroofs and found out that vehicles showing issues were manufactured later on in the production cycle, and reasoned that issues stemmed from a shortened drying time for the bonding agent that attaches the sunroof to the sliding framework. The company realized that sunroofs that underwent a drying period of 2 minutes instead of 5 minutes showed signs of degradation. By 2020, Mercedes-Benz found that cars that had been drying for 5 minutes also started showing signs of failure. By 2022, Mercedes eventually traced the issue to the bonding agent, which would degrade over time. Factors in the production process such as temperatures and humidity in the production facility led to the issue. Mercedes-Benz will contact affected owners by the 21st of February and ask them to visit their nearest dealer for an inspection and replacement if necessary. But you can also check your own VIN on the NHTSA's website. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more car and truck content.